Ahoy! Hello! Chamorro food intermittent fasting is where we include Chamorro food in our meals and alternate between short periods of eating and long periods of not eating. Today for dessert, there is Chamorro cake from the freezer. Chamorro cake is a pound cake with raisins. I needed to use up gollai appan suni or taro and kamuti or sweet potatoes. So I figured red Thai curry was the perfect complement as both dishes use a bit of sugar and are simmered in coconut milk. Curry, while it's not a Chamorro dish, I'm sure it's enjoyed by many islanders because of its piquantness or spiciness and because of the coconut milk. Avocado is a must with lots of good fat. And if you're on Guam, avocados grow everywhere all year long, so make good use of them. By the way, the recipe for Chamorro cake and gollai appan suni and kamuti are linked below and at the end of this video. Today I'm doing OMAD or 1 meal a day, so that's why I'm eating a whole avocado with shrimp on the side along with dessert and red curry made from Reverence Farm stewing hens. OMAD is a type of fasting. I've included a link below if you want to learn more about the fasting lifestyle. I found that it's the best way to eat Chamorro food and be healthy. If you haven't had purple sweet potatoes, you're missing out. Because I cooked the sweet potatoes and taro together, the taro really soaks up all that goodness. I hope you found this intermittent fasting and 1 meal a day Chamorro vlog useful. Be sure to check out my other Chamorro food videos. See ya!